To send money from Pakistan to France, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer method, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer service, or a currency exchange office. Each method has its own fees and exchange rates, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have chosen a method, you will need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. If you are using a bank transfer, you will also need to provide the recipient's international bank account number and the bank's SWIFT code. Next, you will need to create an account with the chosen money transfer service. If you do not already have one, this will typically involve providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. After creating an account, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. You will then be given a quote, including the exchange rate and any fees. Make sure to review the quote carefully before confirming the transfer. Once the transfer is confirmed, the money will be sent to the recipient's account. The transfer time will vary depending on the method and the recipient's location, but it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days. It is also important to consider the security and reliability of the money transfer service. Look for services that are licensed and regulated by the relevant authorities, and that have a good reputation and customer reviews. In addition, be aware of the exchange rates and fees, as they can vary significantly between different services. Some services may also offer additional features, such as the ability to track the transfer and receive notifications when it is complete. Overall, sending money from Pakistan to France requires some planning and research, but it can be a relatively straightforward process if you follow the right steps. By choosing a reliable and cost-effective money transfer service, you can ensure that your money is transferred quickly and securely.